Welcome to this video on how to create a classroom and add students on CodeMonkey. To get started, scroll down and click on See My Classrooms. Here you'll have the option to create a new classroom. Enter the classroom name and choose a subscription. If you have only one subscription, that will be the default, so you don't have to worry about this step. Click on Create My Classroom, and your class will be added to your classroom list. To add students, click on the classroom you want to add students to, and click on the Students tab. Click on the plus button. There are 3 ways to add students. The first option is to create a single account. This is useful if you just want to add 1 or 2 students to your class. The second option is a bulk upload. Here you create a CSV file with display names and student passwords. And once you upload the CSV file, the system will generate unique usernames for your students. You can later on change these usernames in the student list. And the third option is to share a class code. Here you click on it, you'll get a unique classroom code that your students will then use to sign up to CodeMonkey. This is awesome if you want them to sign up using a single sign-on option like Clever or Google. Thanks for watching this video on how to create a classroom and add students on CodeMonkey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it. Happy coding!